everyone, my name is Prerna Remy. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're bored of having the same regular food every day, then do follow this video where I'm going to share my own homemade CopyCat McD burger, which is super delicious, easy to cook and full of flavors. So let me show you how to make them. To start off, take chicken keema. Let your chicken keema come up to the room temperature. Room temperatures are always best for burgers. Then add all your spices like red chilies, salt, oregano, rosemary and mix it together. You can always use your hand to mix it well, but I have used here a spoon for mixing. Combine all the ingredients well and meat is ready. Divide them into 4 equal portions and shape them as a round ball and press it lightly. Now take a pan. We want a medium high heat fire and put some oil and butter and wait until it melts. And place your chicken keema on a pan and roll it with glass and make a nice crust. Yeah, here it is, slowly and gently. And then cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. And when it is cooked, just flip it over and again cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that our patties are ready, put it on the plate and keep it aside. I'm making 2 burgers, so I required 4 patties like this. So this is the last one and I'm putting it aside and always season it with pepper and salt. Now take a bun and cut it into half, exactly like this. It is now time to cook your bun. So heat up your pan, drizzle in some butter and place your bun and cook it for 30 seconds. Also put some butter on the top. Be little careful here, you don't want to burn your fingers. You only have to cook it until it gets light brown. So now it is crispy and golden brown. You can set those off to the plate. So our patties and buns are ready. It's time to assemble the burger and start layering your toppings. To begin with, add your mustard sauce and tomato ketchup on the base and spread it roughly. Then top with some onion rings. I'm taking here 3 onion rings. If you want some more or less, that is totally depend on your choice. Then layer it with shredded cabbage. If you have lettuce in your kitchen, then use that. I'm again adding some onion rings. If you want to skip this part, then totally skip it and add some tomato slice. Now it is the time to add your chicken patty and then layer it with all your sauces, tomato ketchup, then your mustard sauce and mayonnaise and spread it roughly. Guys, it is very important with burgers to have all your toppings ready in advance so that you can enjoy them hot. Now add some cheese, and if you have a cheese slice, then you can definitely use that. Repeat the whole thing again to make a multi-decker burger. Isn't it easy, guys? In very few steps, your double-decker burger is ready. Just a copycat McD burger. So enjoy at home with your friends and family. I hope you like our recipes. Please share your experience with us and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Until then, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye-bye.